We start with the expression 64 squared minus 4 cubed. First, we expand 64 squared, which is 64 times 64. (64 times 64 equals 4,096). Next, we expand 4 cubed, which is 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. Now we substitute these values back into the original expression, 4,096 minus 64. (4,096 minus 64 equals 4,032). Therefore, 64 squared minus 4 cubed equals 4,032. The final answer is 4,032. We start with the expression 25 squared minus 5 cubed. First, we expand 25 squared, which is 25 times 25. 25 times 25 equals 625. Next, we expand 5 cubed, which is 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. Now we substitute these values back into the original expression, 625 minus 125. (625 minus 125 equals 500). Therefore, 25 squared minus 5 cubed equals 500. The final answer is 500. We start with the expression 49 squared minus 7 cubed. First, we expand 49 squared, which is 49 times 49. 49 times 49 equals 2,401. Next, we expand 7 cubed, which is 7 times 7 times 7. 7 times 7 times 7 equals 343. Now we substitute these values back into the original expression, 2,401 minus 343. 2,401 minus 343 equals 2058. Therefore, 49 squared minus 7 cubed equals 2058. The final answer is 2058.